For 10 years now, apart from COVID, Peckforton Light Railway has hosted visits from Zach Bond, who I'm sure must have steam pulsing through his veins. This year, Zach brought his latest acquisition for a test run, an Accurcraft Caledonia, which he has had bedecked in Great Eastern or Southwold Railway livery. He also brought a selection of his other locos for an airing. With Caledonia fired up and raring to go, it was hitched up to the mid-morning passenger train, with Zach's momentum van also in tow. His clever little van, based on a Z-car friction drive mechanism, provides a cheap way of giving live steam locos a slow-mo effect. Despite its large driving wheels, Caledonia performed well on my uneven, tortuous track work. Here we see it negotiating Guano Junction on its way to Beeston Castle. Our train pulls into Beeston Castle. With rain showers forecast, I didn't deploy all the usual paraphernalia of a running session, and so the platform is looking somewhat bare and unpopulated. Zach doesn't usually install radio control in his live steam locos. He prefers the direct hands-on experience of operating the regulator. However, access to Caledonia's cab is somewhat restricted, and he's planning to equip her with radio control in the not-too-distant future. Meanwhile, in the world of battery power, Peckforton Railway's Loco No. 4 Buckley, based on Southwold Railway's Manning Wardle Loco Wenneston, is powering its way up Gallantry Bank with a special goods train. The goods has pulled into Buckley Station and waits as the down passenger trundles over the swing bridge, based on Southwold Railway's earlier bridge at Walberswick, and into the passing loop. Once it gets the all clear, the goods departs to meander its way onwards towards Peckforton Station. In due course, the down passenger departs Buckley to descend Gallantry Bank on its approach to Bickerton Station at the furthermost end of the line. Although the momentum van makes a bit of a racket, it is doing a grand job of keeping Caledonia in check as it descends the 1 in 40 gradient. And so, the live steam-hauled down passenger rolls majestically into Bickerton Station at the end of its run. For its return trip, we decided to see how Caledonia would perform without the momentum van. After a galloping start, it did well up Gallantry Bank, the gradient providing a natural curb to its enthusiasm. The descent was, however, a little more spirited. As the passenger train made its way up to Peckforton, above it, Black Hawthorn Loco number 14 Burwoodsley was approaching Peckforton in the opposite direction, on its way towards the quarry with an empty down sand train. The two trains arrived at Peckforton at about the same time, with the up passenger coasting in on the platform road and the sand train slowing to a halt on the passing loop. The up passenger departs to wend its way towards Beeston Castle Station. Negotiating the junction to Peckforton Castle on its way, and thundering up the gradient beside the River Gowie on its approach to Beeston Castle. As it approaches Guano Junction, it once more encounters the down sand train, as that heads towards Buckley Station. Passing the copper mine, the up passenger makes its approach to Beeston Market Station, where it coasts to a halt beside the platform. After a quick bit of shunting, Caledonia discards the coaches in favour of wagons for the down pickup goods. This time the momentum van is also included in the train. It certainly does seem to make quite a difference. The down pickup goods arrives at Peckforton Station, taking the passing loop, where it coasts to a halt. This is to allow an up ore train to cross it, hauled by IP Engineering Jessie Loco number 8, Winford. The pickup goods can now continue on its way down the line, crossing the viaduct and passing beside the River Gowie once more. There should have been more footage, but unfortunately there was a problem with the camera, or should I say, the camera operator, who somehow pressed the wrong button. It steams off into the distance, looking forward to Zach's next visit. As they say, watch this space.